Okay, this is January 9th, 2025. And this is where I am on this 1,500 piece puzzle. This is a pretty tough puzzle. And what I found out is it's so big and so many pieces, I brought this portable table in, this folding table in, put all the pieces in, they wouldn't fit. So I have them here, and then I have them here. These are basically, I try to put all the pink pieces in there. And I got some of them separated here, these. And then these things. I have not put these in the shape, whatever shape they're in, like I have all these others. You can see there's about 6 different shapes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So every piece will be one of these shapes. And I've tried to lump some of them. I haven't done these gray ones yet. This is a tough puzzle. I just didn't have a good place to work on it. So I couldn't do it on the kitchen counter island. There was just not enough room. I would have had about that much room right there. It wasn't enough. So I couldn't have worked this puzzle. I really wanted to work it. So I brought in another portable table, folding table. So the edge pieces were not that bad. They're pretty easy. I mean, I did that in, I don't know, an hour or something. That's no big deal. And I did manage to work just a little bit up there. And I started to work the legs on that thing. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. And I started doing that. It's like, oh man, I can't tell. So I had to put me a lamp. It was over there. So I had to put this lamp here so I could see the pieces. And then I got the overhead light. And I even use a headlamp thing sometimes just so I can see all the, it's hard to see when there's a lot of colors in a piece. Some of these pieces have so many colors in them. I mean, oh my goodness. I mean, you just have to hope you get lucky seeing all the colors in there. It's a lot. But anyway, that's where I am. And I thought I'd just take a quick video. And I basically only worked on this one day. This is my second day working on it, because I had to bring all these tables in, and this took a while just to get these turned over. I had, man, so many hundred pieces. So I just had to turn them all over and then put them in little groups or something like that. So I put all the pink ones over there, and then the other things are here, and then I got a bunch of gray ones here. Did the sky thing. And this, oh boy, I'll do the same thing here. I just haven't done it yet. I don't know. Working puzzles, you almost have to do it, think of it as like a step-by-step, or just one little section of the puzzle at a time, and you have to focus on that. Because if you try to think about doing that, it's just too many pieces, and your mind can't go through all the pieces fast enough. And if these pieces are all turned every different which way, in your mind, when you go to put in a piece, that maybe like that right there, that is either one of these shaped pieces or one of those shaped pieces. So instead of looking through 6 stacks, you just have to look through 1, 2 stacks, which is still a lot of pieces, but of course I'm gonna break them down. This puzzle is so big, it's like multiple puzzles in one. So I'll do the same thing for all these gray pieces. Every one of those pieces just about, if they don't have some little trigger, something, just some little spot on them, they all look alike. So I don't know if you can even see that, but to me, all of them, all these gray ones, they all look alike. To me, my eyes aren't that good, but I'm trying to reduce how many hundreds of pieces I have to look through to find just one piece, and that's what takes so long. It's just unbelievable. But anyway, that's where I'm at. So, January 9th. And now that I've got it all set up, I should be able to make some progress. Like I just put these together just in the last few minutes. I don't even know where they go. They could go there, they could go there. I have no idea. It's just, I would guess those pink things or something, probably the shoe laces or something. I don't know. It's probably what that is. But, okay. Well, I'm gonna leave it here, and then I'll come back as I get a little bit of progress. It may take me another couple of days to make any progress to even think about. All right, check back later.